it's your favorite Caribbean cutie, and today I am back with another video. Today I am bringing you some of my favorite nude combos by MAC Cosmetics. If you don't already know, I have worked for MAC in the past, and so with that being said, I am a MAC girl. Welcome back to my channel. I am Zazel and I love bringing you great creative content. Today is a very exciting video because I love to bring something very helpful for my black queens, and that is nude combos. Nude lip combos could never go out of style, okay baby girl? It doesn't matter the era, the time of the year, nude lips is always gonna be that girl. So with that being said, we need to know what works for us. I hope that you love what I bring to you today. Today I am going to not overwhelm you with too much, just my favorite, which is going to be MAC lip liner in the color Chestnut. I'm gonna pair that lip liner with 3 of my favorite nude lipsticks and 4 of my favorite lip glosses. So let's just get right into this video. So first I'm going to line my lips with MAC lip pencil in the color Chestnut. This lip pencil is very black girl friendly. I just like to bring it into the corners of my lips like this. And then smudge it out, like not disrupting the liner that you did up here. First lip color that I'm gonna go in with is Creme de Nude. This one is a pale muted peachy beige. It is semi-glossy, so it doesn't really have that much of a coverage, and my lips are kind of naturally dark already, so I kind of have to plaster this on to get the color to really show up. What it looks like, and sometimes I just take a paper towel and just wipe that brown lip liner off. If it smudges in, it's gonna look more brown than it does nude. Okay, go ahead and then go back in. And smudge it all around. So as you could see, this already gives glossy. You don't have to add a gloss to it. Matt describes it as semi-glossy. I think it's very glossy. This is what it looks like without lip gloss. You could add any lip gloss to this. I would go in with Very Go Lightly. This one is a shimmering champagne color. I think it's so beautiful and it pairs so well with any nude. And with this, what I'm gonna do is just go over the lip liner. Starting out with the middle first. Because once you touch that lip liner, baby, ain't no coming back. Have it. So pretty. So nice. So pretty. This is a mixture of Creme de Nude and Very Go Lightly. So this next lipstick that I'm going in with is Myth. This one is a satin lipstick. This is another one of my favorites. This one is a light neutral nude, medium to full coverage, but definitely buildable. In my opinion, I think it's full coverage because, like I mentioned, my lips are more on the darker side, and this kind of covers a lot of the darkness in my lips very fast with like one swipe. So let me just show you guys. And this satin lipstick has a creamy finish. So very peachy. So if you don't be careful with this one, it could come out a little chalky, but you can manipulate it. I just like to go back and just add in the corners. Smudge everything out. It's not fully matte. It's more like a soft, subtle matte. So it's not super dry and it's not super glossy. So you could definitely wear it like this, or you could add a lip gloss to it. I'm more of a matte girl, so I typically wear it like this, but I know the girlies are here for the gloss, so we're gonna just go in with a gloss. With this one, I'm gonna go in with the color See-Through. See-Through is also a peachy beige with just a little bit of shimmer, so I think it pairs very well with Myth. I'm just gonna start in the center. So this is what it's giving. Very pretty, very peachy, but I like the peachy look. My lips is already pre-lined, and this color that I am going in with is called Bronx. This is a taupe brown with a full coverage matte finish. Look at this. Now this I consider a true nude for black women, because really if you want to define nude is like the color of your skin. All that other stuff is shades of nude, but for black women, our nude is closer to our skin tone. This is so pretty. The matte is so soft and luscious, and like I said, it's full coverage, so I hardly had to even put on much to get that full coverage, but this is how it looks. Now, if you want to add gloss to this one, I would go in with Old Baby. While I was working at MAC, this was like one of our top sellers. That's because it's very black girl friendly. It complements our skin tone very well. This one is a golden bronze with sparkly glitter. This one is definitely on the darker side. This is for my ladies who love their chocolatey brown lips. Very pretty. So this next gloss is called Boy Bait, and Boy Bait is a light neutral beige. This one I'm just gonna put on my lips just by itself. This is my lips pre-lined. I'm just going to And this is Chestnut Lip Liner and Boy Bait Lip Gloss, just by itself, not on top of any lipstick or anything. This is what it's giving. Definitely one of my favorites. You don't have to do much to this one. Just line your lips with a pretty lip liner and then put this on, and it just does what it does. This should definitely be in every black woman's makeup kit or makeup bag. Chestnut lip liner and Boy Bait. If nothing else, at least these two. And a trick to not get lipstick or lip gloss on the teeth, all you have to do is put the tube in your mouth and pull it out. What comes off right there is what would be on your teeth. And then you just wipe it off, and you don't have to worry about that all night long. Alright beauties, that's the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that I was detailed enough. Be sure to leave me a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite nude combo. If you did enjoy this video and if it was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button. And of course, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, my beauties, for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.